Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm fishing in the usual area that I usually fish at. I'm gonna be targeting some snook, redfish, tarpon. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe even a trout. Something's going crazy under there. Holy crap, you guys! There's a thunderstorm behind me, as you can see. Might not be able to see it too good, but kind of waiting it out a little bit. It's supposed to clear up in maybe like an hour or so. But I'm gonna be fishing the docks around the ramp. In the meanwhile, while it clears up, I don't want to be stuck out there in the middle of a lightning storm or anything. So we're gonna wait that out and see how it goes today. So stay tuned, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna start by hitting this row of docks. We'll see if there's anything on them. I saw some mullet getting busted up, so I have confidence that there might be something on it. Only bad thing is I'm getting torn up by freaking no-see-ums. They're pretty bad right now. Holy crap. Oh, I just got hit. I just got hit right here. I was too distracted freaking getting these no-see-ums off of me. Oh, it was a freaking snook. There we go. Oh, that's not a bad one. Come on. It's not a bad snook. Oh, get it. You're not going in there. I gotta steer us away. Got him right in the corner of the mouth. Good hook set. There we go, you guys. First fish of the day on the second cast, pretty much. Right in the corner of the mouth, you guys. He munched that live target. Let's get this guy back in the water. He's probably like around 25, I'd say. Oh, he was ready. There we go. That's a good start to the day, I'd say. Oh, I got instantly hit. Oh, come on, come on. Yeah, they're under here. There we go. Oh, oh my God, there's a big bull shark on it. No, oh my gosh. Oh, thank God, he got off. Oh my gosh, there's a big bull shark on it. Oh, I'm glad he jumped off. I think he might have escaped. Holy crap. I'm gonna cast back under there. Hopefully that bull shark went away. This current's really strong today under this dock, so I feel like that's what's got these snook fired up. Oh, get out of there. Oh, get out of there. Bro, come on, before the bull sharks come. Oh, that's probably the bigger one for sure. Come on, get out of there. Oh, he's got me in there. Come on. He's not a bad snook. He looks to be about slot. Oh yeah, he's not bad at all. Nice. Oh wow, he's actually a lot bigger than I thought. Holy crap, you guys. What a freaking stud. Whew. He's around like maybe like 30 inches maybe. He freaking munched that live target. Man, they love this thing, especially in that colorway. You cannot go wrong with that. Alrighty, you guys, here's another look at this beautiful snook. Munched that live target. Oh, freaking happy I caught this guy. He gave me a real good fight, but let me get him back on his way. Let's get this guy back in the water. Oh, I think he's ready to go. There he goes. Yes, sir. Let's go. I'm gonna recast under this dock where I just hooked this snook. Maybe his buddy's in there too. So we'll give it another shot. Oh my gosh, there is another snook in there. Oh, he was following it. Oh my gosh. Dude, there must be a whole bunch of snook back down there. Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh my gosh. Oh, no, that's a bigger one. Oh my gosh. No, no. No, you're not getting in there. Oh, oh, come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Oh, oh my gosh. This guy's freaking huge. Oh. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Oh, yes, sir. Oh my God, what a beautiful snook. He actually looked a lot bigger, but still freaking beautiful. So that's 0. Pinch the tail. Yep, it's touching 0. He is like 32 and a quarter maybe. So almost an inch bigger than the last one I caught. So whew, can't complain. There we go, you guys. Another beautiful snook on the live target. She's nice and golden. Well, she's nice and dark actually. She's not too golden. But you can tell this this snook lives here in the backwater. But gave me a real nice fight under that dock. Beautiful snook. So let me get her on her way. Get this girl on her way. Whew. She was not happy, but let's go, you guys. All right, you guys, so it looks like this storm has almost passed. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head out to the mangroves and see what's out there. Alright, you guys, so we just arrived to the next spot. I'm gonna be throwing this gulp shrimp around. See if we catch any little Goliath groupers or snook or maybe even a tarpon. I've seen them all back here, so we'll see. So this creek, as you can see, has a lot of like little like runoffs. So usually what happens on the outgoing tide, which is now, these runoffs start draining. Oh, I didn't even do anything. What the heck? Lots of snook. Oh my gosh. Spit it out. That's fine. As I was saying, what's it called? Yeah, during the outgoing tide, these little runoffs, they start to drain out. So these snook like to hang out around them. Oh, that's a better hit. Oh, that was a better snook. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're coming up on a little good section right here. Has a lot of structure, so I'm pretty sure we'll probably get a bite or two. Oh, that's a good snook. Oh my gosh. Gotta retie real quick. He frayed me in that little second that I set the hook. He frayed me pretty good. I wonder if he would come back for it. I doubt it. Oh! Oh, I didn't even do anything. It's a smaller one. There we go, you guys. He ate that gulp shrimp. So disappointed I didn't freaking catch that other guy. That one was a lot bigger. He probably would have been the best snook of the day, actually. Getting torn up by mosquitoes. Oh my gosh, dude. No way. Dude, they're in there. Oh, that's a better one. There we go. Oh, that's not a bad one, actually. Might be slot. Oh, there's a jack on it. Oh, careful, buddy. You're gonna knock yourself out. Oh, that line is super frayed. Oh, there we go. Whew, there we go, you guys. Nice, like, I'd say like 24, 25 inch snook. He crushed that. He crushed that gulp shrimp. Dude, there's a whole school of them in there. I gotta retie and get back in there. All right, so I retied. This gulp is almost done, but I got plenty more. But let's see if I catch one more on it. These snook are fired up today. Again. The little guy. There we go. Probably the smallest snook of the day. Probably like around like 20 inches. Let this guy go. I'll put another gulp shrimp. Alright, so I'm using like a 3/16 ounce jig head, the Trout Eye by Z-Man, and I'm using like a 4-inch gulp shrimp, in the natural color, I believe is what it's called. But yeah, they're easy to rig, and they're very effective. Push it all the way in and it's all set to go. Oh, damn. Oh, he's actually not too bad. Oh, he almost jumped in. What the heck? Oh, there he goes. He spit it out right at the boat. That's perfectly fine. Oh my gosh. Was that a bigger snook? He tore me apart. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, I just got wrecked. What the heck? That must have been a grouper. Holy crap, I didn't even get a chance to even react. Oh my gosh, freaking groupers, man. That was another grouper. Oh, dude, they don't even give me a chance. All right, we're switching spots now. Alrighty, you guys, so I re-rigged after getting broken like freaking a million times. I think the last couple of fish were groupers. I'm gonna keep trolling the mangrove line here and see if we can catch anything. Oh, what the heck is that? I think this is a big jack. Oh no, it's a grouper. Ugh. Get out. Oh, it's not a bad grouper. Alright, calm down, buddy. Oh, he came off. That's fine. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that was. It felt like a snook though. Let's see if he comes back for it. Oh yeah, he came back for it. Oh, it's a grouper. A little smaller than the one I just hooked up to. Oh, he's trying to get me in there. There we go. There we go, you guys. Nice little Goliath grouper. Got him right in the corner of the mouth. This gulp shrimp's really turning out to be money out here. Oh, that's a good snook. Oh, that's a good snook. Oh. Oh, come on. He's not a bad snook. I think he's slot for sure. Oh, that did not feel good. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, it's a good snook. Oh, there we go. Get this guy in. He's barely hooked, you guys. That's kind of why I grabbed the net. There we go, you guys. Another beautiful snook out here in the backcountry, pretty much. What a good day it's been. I cannot complain. Haven't had this good of a snook day in quite some time, so feels very nice to finally have a really nice day like this. But beautiful snook. So let's get this guy back in the water. So I've read that the best way to revive these snook is to sway them side to side and not back and forth, just because I guess when you go back and forth, it kind of rushes too much water into their gills. So going side to side is the preferred method when reviving these snook. There she goes. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna call it a day. Today was a very successful day. Caught 3 slot snook, caught plenty of other smaller snook, and hooked up to a couple grouper. But today was a very good day for me, and I'm stoked that I finally had a really nice day like this. So I appreciate everyone who tuned in to watch today's video. If you want to help me grow my channel, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think so far of all my videos in the comments down below. But thank you to everyone that's supporting me, and I'm gonna try and you know, bang out a video every week, or if not every other week. But you know, be looking forward to that. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.